Hello, my name is Philip Sykes, and I have a crucial question for you today. Are you performing at your absolute peak, or do you sometimes find yourself bogged down by obstacles that impede your path to success? So many individuals and teams encounter barriers such as a lack of clarity, depleted energy, wavering courage, and inconsistent productivity. These challenges not only hinder progress, but also obstruct the actualization of potential. That's where high performance coaching becomes your secret weapon. Imagine having a tailored roadmap that offers unwavering clarity and strategic focal points that guide every step of your journey. A reservoir of sustainable energy and the courage to leap into opportunities with confidence, skyrocketing productivity, and enhancing ability to wield influence effectively in our interactions. Our unique approach marries psychology and physiology to fortify your mental and physical reservoirs, transforming you into a powerhouse of consistent and impactful performance. Moreover, imagine mastering the art of persuasion, being able to communicate and influence with persuasion and empathy, navigating through social and professional spheres with ease and charisma. We will sculpt your journey in a way that anchors every step, every achievement to a deep-seated purpose, ensuring that your commitment to high performance isn't merely fleeting, but is rooted in a sustainable and inspiring vision. Your pathway to unprecedented success, propelled by clarity, energy, courage, productivity, and profound influence, is right at your fingertips. Your next level awaits, and together, through high-performance coaching, we can propel you there. So are you ready to transcend your limitations and step into a realm of boundless possibilities? I'm here to guide you through it. Let's connect and set the stage for your transformation. Please click on the link below to make contact.